calculate the value of A in the figure. In this figure, none of the line is straight. If you look closely, all angles are at a point. And we have learned sum of the angles at a point is 360 degrees. So I can write as 4a degrees plus 50 degrees plus 214 degrees equals 360 degrees. Now, to find the value of A, I will shift 50 and 214 to the right hand side. Before this, let me add them. 50 plus 214 equals 264. Now, 264 will be shifted to the right hand side. 4a equals 360 minus 264. 360 minus 264 equals 96. 4 will be divided by 96. 96 divided by 4 equals 24. A equals 24 is our answer.